What up, good people? It's your boy, man. What's going on, man? Hey, we're going to get to that T2X in a minute, man, and there's some more stuff, but we're going to check out Defibids. First up, got the first payout. So I got 785 bids. That's cool, man. I take it. You know what I'm saying? Got another payout coming in about an hour. So, hey, I take it. You know what I'm saying? Just staking my 32,000. Got 785, man. I'm cool. Nice smooth portal. I'm with it, man. Kitten. Oh God, kitten. Let's see what the price is. 122. It'll stay the same. Let's see. It's still 122. Boy, that thing been going up like crazy. As you can see right here, I got another 1 point. I've been selling all day. So, I mean, this is about what, $150 worth? Cool with me. You know what I'm saying? I get about 31 a week. That's my weekly estimate. I be selling 2-3 times a day. I posted in my Telegram. I eat all day off of this right here, man. And it's up to $122. It was like what? $58. Then it went to $70. Then 80. Now it's at 122. Could go down. Could go up. That's just how I go, baby. You know what I'm saying? But let's get to the main topic at hand, bro. T2X, man. This is the one I've been begging y'all. T2X and Tron Chain. T2X and Tron Chain. I've been begging. So we're going to have a look at this right quick. Let's see, we're on the staking. I got 25,000 right here. I could stake it, but I'm not because as you can see, today we on day 66. And today is my last day staking. So in about 3 minutes, all this is going to come to an end and I'm going to be able to collect. So as of right now, I'm getting what that is. What, 76,000? It's about 78, 79. That's about 80,000. Somewhere around 80. Somewhere about 80,000. Give or take a few. So we're gonna see how much I can get. At 8 o'clock, what's gonna be the pool? What is it? Let me see what the pool at now. 1.6 million. I don't think gonna quite get to 2 million because we only got like a couple of minutes. But we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see how much I'm gonna get because I'm right at. Let me see, 76. 77, that's about 78. And about 79. I'll give it 80. Yeah, I'll give it 80,000. So just say 80,000, keep your numbers even. Let's see if I can get to 9. See if I can get 10,000. See if I can get to 10,000 after this 8 o'clock. It take a minute for it to reset after 8 o'clock. So we're going to see, man. So just remember that number, 80,000. We're going to see if I can get to 90,000 T2X. Let's check on our old TRX chain. Nice and smooth, as you can see. See what's in the contract. Wait, whoa. Oh, I thought that was that box. I finished. Boy, I finished. They done ran. They gone. Boy, I was like, whoa. I thought that box was that box. Oh, they gone. Oh, Lord, they done gone. Nah, ain't going. 178 million still in the contract. Like I always tell you, 316 million it's been deposited in the contract, and 121 million has been taken out of the contract. And as you can see, in 15 more hours, I got another payout, but now I'm over 40,000. Look at that, over 40,000. That is crazy. I only put in 50,000. I've taken out 11,000. 40 plus 11, that's what, 51. So this is all gravy. This is all gray. And that's just this account. Y'all know I always show you both my accounts. But I be telling you, man, this got to be your backbone. That's how I can do all that other stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm in Tiger Swap and all that. Let me see. Well, man, which one I mean? I'm in this one right here. 257 Tigers, Tigs, you know what I'm saying? Got my little liquidity pool staking over here. I'm in printer. You know what I'm saying? What the price is now? What the price is? What the damn price is? Woo! Oh my God, I can't wait this thing. I'm in the liquidity pool. So it ain't started yet. As you can see, printing will start at whatever block that is, approximately Wednesday, September 16th. It will run as long as the Ethereum blockchain operates. Man, this thing is up to. I got this at 2. what was it? It fluctuated because I was trying to get it at 246. I think it jumped up to 280. So I got it around 280. Oh my God, I might want to get about that thing. Oh man, I can't believe that thing is $633. God damn. Wow, bro. I did not expect to see that, man. Again, it's printer.finance. The thing is, ain't been so many. I think it's what? 1,000 of these things? I think it's only 1,000 of them or something like that. Supply 1,100. This is crazy. When I got in, the market cap was I think the market cap was like 200,000. This thing is going bananas, bro. Printer.finance. And they burn tokens. So it's only 1,100 and they burning tokens. They burning coins. I don't get that. Like, I don't, but this thing might get the Wi-Fi level. I don't know, bro. But printer.finance, man. Check it out, bro. Uh, let's see, this T2X done got through yet. Let's see. Let me refresh. See if I can get to 90,000. Oh, that is with day 67. Let's see. Oh, I'm way down here. Come on now. Oh, there we go. Collect. Oh man, I ain't getting no 90,000 because that's 82. I'm super. Well, that's a good day though. What was it? 79? Oh, it ain't no good day. I don't know. Is it? I don't know, man. I don't even be keeping up with that. Know if it's a good day or a bad day, man. You know, I really don't. Like people be keeping up with that. Like how many? I don't know what I be getting, man. I just go in every day and come out. You know what I'm saying? I go in the lobby every day, man. So we're gonna collect all this, man. See what we got going on. I ain't no way to tell, huh? Let me see. Where my wallet at? Let's see. Cause it goes straight to your wallet. Then you gotta be a T2X, man. How many I got in my wallet? 41,000. I got 41,000 in the wallet. So let's go collect. Come on. Come on. Let me do this automatic. Get out of here. Got to get out of here. Yeah. Automatica. Come on. Get on out of there. I was going to do it automatic. Come on, man. I'm making video long. Let me pause. There we go. All clear. Now, as you can see, I started with 1 million. And now I got 1.178 million. So I got 178,000 T2X, like for free, because you get paid in T2X and Tron. That's what people don't understand, guys. You get paid at T2X and Tron. I got 178,000 free T2X. Now let me check my account. Okay, 127. Let me see. 127,900. Let's check the old calculator, see how much I got. So I had, what was that, 41,000? Well, we're gonna do it. I'm doing that backwards. I don't like doing it that way. Some people can do it. I don't like doing it. I like doing the big number first. What's that? 127,900. Move this over so I can see. 127,900. Subtract 41. Was that 41? Yeah, it was 41. Okay, cool. I remember. 86,900. So 87,000, man. That's hey. How much is that? Let me see how much that is. 87,000 TRX. That's $2,600. Bro, $2,600, bro. I ain't even doing that. I'm just thinking. That's all I'm doing. I can't believe, man, you better click that link in the description, bro. Oh, I ain't even let me go to the auction. Let me go to the auction. I'm see if I got something to get out of here. You know, I stay in this auction. This where it all, hey, you got to be in this auction. You got to feed the beast. Feed the beast. Come on, man. This thing takes so long. Started from the bottom, now we here. I got 2 to collect. But I told you I stay in that lobby, but I don't lie. I be in that lobby every day, bro. Every day I be in that lobby, bro. I'm going in again as soon as I clear these out. I'm going in a day, B. A day. Like, what you gotta do, man. Come on, man. What you doing? What you doing? You making the video long, bro. Gonna make me have a 15-minute video. Come on. Gotta go back in. Nah, I got this thing gotta come all the way from the bottom. Hey man, you seeing the behind the scenes workings of what's going on. T2X. But I'm gonna stake that million again in just a minute. As soon as I get all my money. And see, when you see that, it's already gone. But it just takes this thing gotta recycle and go all the way back up for it to be, for it to clear your things. I don't think it ain't doing nothing. It just gotta go all the way back. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go in the lobby again, but for the sake of time, get back over here to the staking. Cause you see, now my balance is up again. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stake this 1 million. Wait a minute though. You know what? We got the thing coming sad there. We got the farming. Oh man, I don't worry about that when that time comes. So we're gonna do 1, 1, 8, 8. Do it like that. We're gonna do it for 10 days. No, we're gonna do it for 5 days. I don't know how that farming, boy. I gotta see how that farming gonna do, bro. I gotta see what that farming gonna do, bro. You feel me? Your boy gotta see what that farming gonna do, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to come on, be on about this party going to that farming. You know, my money, my TRX and T2X gotta be working for me. You understand me? There we go. In waiting, 1.188 million. Staking for 5 days. You understand? So, hey, man, take the link in the description. Come on in here, man. Like I'm finna do. Go right back in the auction. You gotta feed the beast. And since I got paid, since the day payday, I'm going, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna even do this. If use my link and I'm gonna go back in on your link. Cause you get a 5%, and that's huge. That 5%, look at all this. If you go in every day, them 5% add up, guys. So if you're watching the video this long, then you'll know. You should be in my Telegram. So use my link, and then I'm gonna use your link. So use my link, and then I don't know, screenshot it. It'll say it, I guess, somewhere up here in the thing. Screenshot, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll use your link. Hit me up in the Telegram with a screenshot and send me your link. Then I'll use your link to go in the lobby. How about that? We're gonna do it like that. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.